Hey everybody, this is Peter. In this video segment, we're going to create a custom Shavlik NetChk compliance policy. So first thing we want to do here, I want to create an actual machine group to define the systems that I'll be scanning with this custom policy. So we're going to type in the Academy Pro, we'll click on Save, and in here we can easily go into adding specific machines into this machine group. So we can say anything on the 192.168 network. We'll go ahead and click on Apply if we wanted to add credentials, and now we're going to go in and create a custom policy. So we'll actually select the Academy Pro machine group if we wanted there. As you can see it, we'll go ahead and create a custom policy. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and call it the Academy Pro as well. We can put in a comment, some patch groups, signature groups. We're going to include them all in this case, and we can either choose to work with a specific or existing policy, or we can just start from scratch and do our own here. So we're going to say create from a selected operating system. So in this case, I want to use, let's say, I don't know, what do we want to use? Windows XP Professional SP3, and we can choose whether or not we're going to work with a regulatory framework in this case, and we don't have to, but we'll leave that as none for now. So we'll go in, we'll press save, and that will load up our default policy for us that we can work with. And because we're not working with any regulatory frameworks or anything, we get a much more, I guess, larger option here of filters. So as you can see on the top, we can check to include or remove specific checks from our compliance policy. So you see we can actually do that for account lockout duration, lockout threshold, restrict floppy access to locally logged on users, and so on and so on. Now on the bottom here, you obviously see that you can use the actual links to customize the policy, and you'll see you have the add selected links, or sorry, add selected checks, remove selected checks, so on and so on. And you can do a bunch of things as well. Like I said, from the bottom part of this menu, we can actually make changes and so on and so on. You can add custom checks on the bottom here that will apply to the policy if you don't want to do everything completely manually. So we're going to go ahead, save the policy, put in a change control comment, all right, or we can choose not to have a change control comment and just press OK. And now you'll see we can select the Academy Pro from our machine group as well as the Academy Pro under our selected custom policy. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks very much for coming out. We'll see you on the next one.